Once again, hello everyone. Today we are going to do the latest updated version of Guess the Celebrity quiz from Videoquizstar.com. But before starting the video, I want to tell you something. This is my second channel, so please, if you haven't subscribed it yet, then please subscribe my channel so that you can get the latest updated version of various quizzes.
Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on a top floor, oh we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on a top floor.
Now this coming question has got the 3 different version or type, so I want you to watch the image very carefully so that you can get 100% score in this question. For example, in version 1, if you find this sort of image of dog, then the correct answer is greyhound. So just click greyhound if you see this sort of dog in the picture. Now in version 2 of this question, if you find this sort of picture of dog, then the correct answer is Dalmatian. So just click Dalmatian if you find this sort of image of the dog. Now in version 3 of this question, if you find this sort of image of animal, that means the cat, then just click cat so that you can get 100% score in this question. Now this coming question also has got the 3 different version or type, or it can have 4 different version, but I have currently found only 3 version. So please watch the image very carefully. For example, in version 1, if you find this sort of image, then the correct answer is green grocer. Especially you must have to see this, okay, this black color image. And if you find this sort of image, then just click the answer as green grocers. Okay, you can see this sort of image, this black color. Now in version 2 of this question, if you find this sort of image, then the correct answer is tailor's shop. So just click the answer if you find this sort of image on the top right corner. Now in version 3 of this question, if you find this sort of image on top right corner, you can see this sort of image, then the correct answer is bakery. So just click bakery if you find this sort of image. Now this coming question has got the 5 version, in which first 4 questions have the same image but options are different, whereas the last version has different image. So I will show you in version 1. You must have to see if you find this sort of image and this sort of question, but the options you can see here, if you find the option as zebra, then just click zebra, okay. So if you find the option zebra, then just click that option. Now in version 2 of this question, the image is same just like the previous version 1, but the option is different. And if you find the option as badger, B-A-D-G-E-R, badger, then just click badger for that question. Now in version 3 of this question, if you find the option as cheetah, so just click cheetah if you find the option as it. You can see the image is same but the option is different, so just click cheetah if you find this option. Now in version 4 also, the option is different but the image is same. So if you find the option as monkey, then just click M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Now in version 5 of this question, you can see the image is different. So if you find the image as different, then just click donkey. So just click donkey if you find the image is different, then that will be previous version 1, 2, 3, 4 and something. Now the coming question has got 2 different version or type, so please watch the image and also the options or the alternatives very carefully, just like the previous ones. For example, in version 1 of this question, if you see this sort of image and about the option, you can see here option is different one. So just click this option if you find this option in your question. Now in version 2 of this question, if you find this type sort of option, you can see here, although the image is same but the option you can see is different. So if you find this sort of option, then just click that option. Now the coming question has got the 3 different version or type, so please watch the image and also the options or the alternatives carefully. Now I'll show you some hints for you to get the 100% score in this question. Just see these 3 things. You can see here the number of bags on both left and right hand side, and the hair. You can see the hair also. So you must have to see these 3 things. For example, in version 1, you can see here the hair, the number of bags on both hand side, all are the same of this image. You can see here. So I have clicked this image as the answer. Now in version 2 of this question, you can see the hair, it's the same here. So I have clicked this as the correct answer. So you need to see the hair and the bags carefully. Now in version 3 of this question, you just need to see the hair also and number of bags. You can see here number of bags and the hairs. So if you find the position of hair and number of bags, then just click that image, okay? So you need to see the image carefully. Now the coming question also has got the 2 different version or type. So please watch the image and also options or alternatives carefully, just like the previous versions. For example, in version 1, you can see here, if you find this sort of image, then the correct answer is on the right hand side. You can see here the correct answer on right hand side. Now in version 2 of this question, if you find this sort of image where the peoples are a bit more than of that of version 1, then just see the image on right hand side or the alternatives on right hand side as I have shown here. So just click that. Now this coming question also has got the 2 different version or type. So please watch the image and also the options or the alternatives of this question very carefully. For example, in version 1, if you find this sort of blueprint, then the correct answer is on the right hand side, a red car on the garage. You can see here. Now in version 2 of this question, if you find this sort of image on left hand side, then the correct answer is the answer or the alternatives on right hand side of the picture. Now the coming question also has got the 4 different version or type. So please watch the image and also the options or the alternatives very carefully, as I have shown in just like the other questions. For example, in version 1, if you find this sort of image, you can see here, then just click the image on right hand side as I have shown here in this video. Now in version 2 of this question, if you see this sort of image, then just click the image on right hand side as I have shown here in this video or in this picture on the screen. Now in version 3, just like at the previous one, I will say that if you see this, then you must have to click the image on right hand side as I have shown there. Now in version 4, if I see this sort of image on left hand side, then just click the image on right hand side. So just click that as I have said. Now the coming question also has got the 3 different version or type. So please watch the image and also the options or the alternatives carefully. For example, in version 1 of this question, if you see this sort of image, you can see here on left hand side, then just click the image that I have shown on right hand side. So you must be very careful in this. Now in version 2 of this question, if you see this sort of image on left hand side, then just click the image that I have shown on right hand side. You must see the shape of the image, okay, on left hand. Now in version 3 of this question, if you see the image on left hand side, which is a bit not sharp one, you can see here, then just click the image that I have shown on right hand side of this video. Now the coming question also has got the 3 different version or type. So please watch the image and also the options or the alternatives carefully. For example, in version 1, if you see this sort of image of the bird on left hand side, then just click the image that I have shown on right hand side of this video. So just click that, okay. Now in version 2 of this question, if you see this sort of image you can see here on left hand side, then just click the image that I have shown on right hand side of this video. Now in version 3 of this question, if you see this sort of image on left hand side, then just click the image that I have shown on right hand side of this video. Now the coming question also has got a 3 different version or types, so please watch the image carefully, or I'll give you some hints so that you will get 100% score in this question. Then the first hint is that you must have to see this all 5 things carefully, okay, all 5 things, so that you can get 100% score in this question. The shape must be exact as I have shown here. Or the second hint is that you must have to use the 50-50 options in this question so that it is easy for you. For example, in version 1, if you see this sort of image on left hand side, then just click the image that I have shown on right hand side. So just see the circles that I have shown here. So just click 50-50 option then and see this, okay, all the things that I have said here. Now in version 2 of this question, if you see the image that I have shown on left hand side, then just compare the image that I have shown on right hand side on your question and just click that. Now in version 3, just like that, you must have to see the color of the oceans or sea. You can see here. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share this video to everyone.